Health departments in Georgia have stopped providing COVID-19 boosters. They're waiting on CDC recommendations and clinical guidance. The first COVID-19 vaccines were released in late 2020 and are credited with saving millions of lives. The Florida Surgeon General wants to lift the vaccine mandates in schools.
Lydia Nathan spoke with officials and medical professionals about what this could mean if Tennessee's representatives follow suit. Lydia.
Yeah, Cindy, Florida Surgeon General Yusuf Hakeem said Wednesday that the state will work to eliminate all vaccine mandates. Some surrounding states could follow suit. I spoke with a pediatrician who says she is in disagreement.
That's what people want if they choose illness and possible death of their children. And I know that sounds extreme and harsh, but that's what you're choosing. And then I pray that we as physicians will rise up and put a stop to this.
As Florida officials say they are working to eliminate vaccine mandates, Democratic Representative Yusuf Hakeem hopes this won't happen in Tennessee.
Well, I think it's a travesty, particularly for the children of the state of Florida. And I think it's taking advantage of adults who are not making decisions based on health medical opinions, but some things that comes from the street, so to speak.
Most states require a long list of vaccines like hepatitis and measles. These are mandated for school-aged children. Dr. Yolanda Spraggins says vaccines have protected kids for generations.
There is a huge difference, just even in my lifetime. Take, for instance, the pneumonia vaccine. When I was a medical student, before they had the immunization, we had tons of kids in the hospital with pneumococcal meningitis and pneumonia. And you rarely see that now. And kids still get pneumonia, but not at the rates we used to see them.
For those who do not agree with vaccinations, Dr. Spraggins says a medical or religious exemption is required to skip the mandate. We reached out to Governor Bill Lee to see if this is something he's considering in Tennessee. We have not received a response yet.
Without a doubt, health is not and should not be political. And as a result, we should work on this together. You know, when you talk about things on both sides of the political aisle and so forth, health and safety is imperative for our community if we're going to, stay strong, move forward as a community, as a nation.
We also reached out to other Republican state representatives and Hamilton County School Board members to hear their thoughts. We have not heard back, but we will update this story inside our app once we do. David.